technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap up today and traded in a sideways manner for first half of the trading session. It was after 2 p.m. in the afternoon the action picked up and the Nifty ended with the day with a positive bias with a 38-point gain on the Nifty. Some of the big movers in trade today were the likes of L&T, ICICI Bank, State Bank of India and Mahindra. While HUL and ITC and HDFC Bank were some of the draggers in trade today. The advance decline ratio was pretty impressive today. It was 1004 advances to 475 declines. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty opened with a gap up today and traded the day with a positive bias. In this process, it has taken out the previous swing high of 6820 on the upside. Now, removing of this 6820 on the upside has some bullish implications. For example, we pointed out that a hanging man pattern on the weekly charts was observed at the end of the last week. Now, this pattern has been negated. In terms of wave structure, in terms of wave counts, now this sideways pattern becomes a regular flat pattern which becomes a wave 4 pattern, and now we are expecting the Nifty to trade higher, means there will be a further price extension on the upside. Now we have increased our short-term target. We have changed our short-term target to positive and we have given a target of 6870 on the upside. 6870 on the upside is around the daily upper Bollinger Band, and it is also around this upward resistance trend line when we join the highs, when we join the previous two highs. We get the level of 6870 in this manner. We have kept our reversal level at 6665, which is around the 20-day moving average, and it is also the previous swing low. Interestingly, the daily momentum indicator is still having a negative crossover, which means that the price action is not in sync with the momentum indicator as of now. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that the Nifty, after breaking from on the upside from a wedge pattern, it has been trading in an upward sloping channel and along the hour upper Bollinger Band. The hourly momentum indicator also has a positive crossover. Crucial supports that are the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages are placed at 6752 and 6754. So if the Nifty has to continue its rally on the upside, we expect levels of 6752 and 6754 to act as crucial supports for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Overall, our view on the Nifty has changed from negative to positive with a target of 6870 on the upside with a reversal placed at 6665. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty similarly has closed with gains today, with likes of ICICI Bank and State Bank of India being some of the large movers today. It has aided the Bank Nifty to close with handsome gains today. Crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 12,850 and 12,669, and crucial resistances are placed at 13,158 and 13,330. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty has changed to positive from negative with a target of 6870 on the upside and reversal placed at 6665. That's all for today. Thank you.